My name is Mark Haller.
I'm Jill Haller, and we live in Fairfax Station, Virginia.
American Home Contractors performed a whole house renovation. They did James Hardie siding, a composite front door, Provia windows, and gutters and soffits, and painting as well.
We wanted to do these projects with American Home Contractors because we were looking to transform the look of our home. The home we live in is a ranch home, and it was dated when we purchased the home, and we wanted to update the look of the exterior.
Because we really felt like we wanted a long-term solution for our home, so we really went back and forth between James Hardie and vinyl and a lot of different things. We felt like we needed to make a long-term investment in our home, and we felt really comfortable with the choices we made. And the Provia doors and windows just have a really great reputation, and so we felt that it was just the best fit for our home.
So we chose Provia, a company out of Ohio where we're from, and we love the product. We thought it was very durable and easy to open and close. We love having the windows open and closed in the different season, and we wanted something that was durable but also could open and close easily. And we chose a different look than what we had before, and we love it. We absolutely love it.
Yeah, the big thing for us is we really love the look of real wood, and we were really leaning towards that, and Tyler really described how the composite door was going to just last so much longer, not have scuff marks, and we were really impressed by the real look of it in person and the feel of it, and it's still heavy and it felt quality, and so we were really happy with the outcome on it.
Our experience with American Home Contractors was incredibly smooth. Communication is very important for Mark and I when we're working with contractors, and Tyler made that very easy, and the whole company. If we had a question, or if we needed clarification on something, or if something was going to be delivered, we knew when it was going to be here, and we didn't have any doubt that someone was going to show up without us knowing, or that we were going to be having to make all of the decisions alone.
Yeah, and the updates were great. We got an update from the office. If we needed an update from Tyler, he was ready to get back to us right away. The office would call with even material delivery updates, and that was huge for us. We have a lot of kids and just a lot of stuff we have to move around in order to get materials here, and so it was really great just to have open communication. Everything got here on time, and if there was a delay, a change, they let us know, so it was really smooth. Definitely recommend American Home Contractors to